to the launch of Orion in just moments. If all goes according to plan, we are going to have a liftoff. The massive Delta IV Heavy rocket's going to carry the unmanned space capsule into orbit. And you can see the countdown. Oh, it was up there just a second ago. We're under 2 minutes right now. So we never got this close yesterday.
No, we didn't. Oh, please just let this baby go. Let's get right out to Dana J at the Kennedy Space Center. How are things looking out there, Dana?
Guys, I don't mind telling you, I was just jumping up and down because I can barely contain my excitement. Well, the countdown clock is under 2 minutes. People are streaming out of the press site where a lot of NASA officials and workers have been waiting for the go-ahead for this launch. We're ready for that Delta IV Heavy rocket to take off from Launch Pad 37 right now. No holds. I don't want to jinx it. I'm actually going to toss it to NASA TV for the rest of the countdown.
Securing started.
At T-minus 60 seconds, the eastern range readiness will be verified.
CPC LH2 at flight pressure and flight level.
Working no issues.
T-minus 1 minute.
Engine start box go.
Rock, report range status.
Range green. 50 seconds. 45.
Everything is go.
GE main power off.
Main power off.
40.
Upper stage LH2 secure at flight level.
35. 30.
Status check.
Go Delta.
Go Orion. Grain board.
25.
Flight lock in.
T-minus 20 seconds.
15.
Rofi ignition.
10.
The igniters have been lit.
9. 8. 7. 6.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And liftoff at dawn. The dawn of Orion and a new era of American space exploration.
Good engine control on the first stage. Passing 25 seconds. Velocity 1,341 feet per second. Passing 31 seconds, still looking good. Good engine control. Good chamber pressure in all three boosters in the full power mode. 40 seconds in. Standing by to go to the partial thrust mode in the core. And we have partial thrust command in the core. Core chamber pressure beginning to drop as expected as we're coming up on the 1 minute mark. 1 minute into the flight. Still looking good. Good chamber pressure in the core booster in the partial thrust mode. Good chamber pressure in port and starboard in full power mode. One minute, 15 seconds into the flight. We have the hydrazine supply valve open in the second stage. 1 minute, 22 seconds in. Max Q, maximum dynamic pressure in the vehicle. Passing 124, Mach 1. Orion and Delta IV now transcending the speed of sound. 1 minute, 31 seconds in. Good engine control in the first stage. Coming up 1 minute, 40 seconds. Velocity now 1,341 feet per second. 1 minute, 50 seconds in. Still looking good. Coming up on 2 minutes. 2 minutes into the flight. Good engine control on the first stage. Port and starboard boosters still at good chamber pressures in the full power mode and good core chamber pressure in the partial thrust mode at 2 minutes, 22 seconds in. Minutes, 35 seconds in, still looking good. Coming up on the 2 minute, 43 second mark, Mark, 2 minutes, 43 seconds. The Delta IV Heavy rocket now just weighs 1/2 as much as it did at launch, running propellant at the rate of 4,744 pounds per second.
Okay, that was pretty awesome. We got chills here in the studio. I wish I would have been outside to see it, but I think it may have been too cloudy for most people. We are hearing reports that they heard it go off all over Central Florida, so that's pretty awesome.
Heard the boom.